Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Chetana, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing computer science and artificial intelligence engineering. So after a long break, I came back with a set of new concepts. So this is the starting video. So in this video, my concept is concurrent process model. It comes under the topic software engineering and project management. So let's move into the topic. Before going to the topic, concurrent process model. The word process, which refers to the methods and technique used to build or maintain a software. So process models can be many. In that I choose this concurrent process model. Concurrent process model, the concurrent word only suggests us that it allows many stages to occur at the same time, which can give the efficiency, and it also give the end product for the user, and it will also get the feedback from the user so that it can modify the generating one. So let's move into the topic and let's discuss all the advantages and disadvantages of this concurrent process model. Starting with the definition, a software development approach where multiple activities run concurrently, reflecting real-world project dynamic. As you can see the activities in the diagram, where it starts, it will move to developing model, then reviewing model, then entering a new baseline, then at the end, then again for it need any changes, then it will go back, then it will do any changes, and again it will reach revise model where it will scan the model once more and then wait for changes, then again the same steps. So this is the process in concurrent process model. Then we'll move to the next topic. Uh, the goal of this model is to reduce cost and time of development while still producing a product that meets the customer's needs. So, for example, let us consider we are developing a device or a website which has only one feature, and the customer is asking for the other feature, and we need to add that to the existing one. So we can do that both in the same system. So this is what is the concurrent model, whereas in the waterfall model we can't make any changes. So this is the main difference between concurrent model and the waterfall model. So we can discuss that in a further topic, and for now time being, I'm comparing the difference between concurrent waterfall and iterative model. As you can see in the picture, the execution, the flexibility, complexity and use cases. So it all defines that the concurrent model is so good choice for a developer. Next we'll go to the example. uh, Concurrent model also includes like one of the not its type, but it will also include waterfall, prototype and spiral models in it. Concurrent model is another a term for this methodology, and it's also known as concurrent design and manufacturing. It's sometimes called simultaneous engineering or integrated product development. Phases and their interaction. In concurrent model, the traditional phases of software development life cycle SDLC are not strictly sequential but interwoven. Here's how they work. Requirement gathering and analysis. Requirement gathering is nothing but collecting before uh, we are starting the project. We need some of the requirements like we need to collect the software details and the hardware and the language which we are using. We need to know all the details and uh, the client idea about the project. So we need to gather all this information. So this information is gathered in the concurrent process model stage also. Teams gather requirements while other teams might already start prototyping based on initial sites. Then feedback from prototypes may lead to iterative refinements of the requirements. So here it will have two kind of requirement gathering. First is the initial stage where um, in every process model it will collect the requirements, but in this concurrent model it also collects the feedback, whereas it can make any changes in the further steps. Then system and software design work begins as requirement solidity. Then concurrently feasibility studies or performance analysis can validate on challenge design choices. Coming to the next stage, that is implementation. So implementation can be done in the sense the coding part and then the testing part, uh, then finally the maintenance. uh, I think you all may know about these three steps. So let's move on to the next one. So the features of concurrent model: parallel workflow, real-time communication, flexibility, iterative development, and reduced time to market. As I already explained you, these are all the features of concurrent model which makes it um, very efficient, and it also reduces the cost factor. So this all the process flow we have seen so far. Then let's move into the advantages. So the advantages of concurrent process model is adaptability, early error detection, efficient resource usage, and faster delivery. So these four all are the main advantages, and it also may include cost and time factors. Let us see some of the disadvantages. Disadvantages of concurrent process model includes high complexities, coordination issues, resource intensiveness, and difficult to monitor. First one, high complexity. High complexity is if two stages is executing and both the stages need same resource for its further execution. It may lead to deadlocks or starvation. So these conditions need to be solved. Then coordination issues like the communication mechanisms, then resource intensiveness, um, needs advanced tools and experienced teams to work on this process model. Then difficult to monitor since it needs more experience, and it's also cost efficient, but it also need the person with particular knowledge, else it cannot be monitored properly. So this is all about the concurrent process models. Thank you for watching.